You guys wonder what I've been up to. There was a storm, took down a big old giant oak tree in my yard, and a couple more, I don't know if they're hickory or what they are. But I don't think I ever showed you guys my saw. I bought this back in 2006. 36cc. That's where I messed up. 16, and I put an 18 on it. Too much bar for it. But it definitely has paid for itself. It has cut quite a few trees down. Perfect for the homeowner. Everything works on it. Self-oiler gets plugged. New chain. But I just wanted to take time out and show you how Craftsman sharpens his chain. And I'm sure there's several different ways. Especially, I'm no lumberjack or nothing like that. I'm just kind of a do-it-yourselfer, so of course mine's going to be different than everybody else's, but you can see my teeth. Try to keep the angle. You want to try to keep your angle. See, some of these don't exactly have the same angle. And you still work on them. See, look at that one. That one's got a good angle on it. You just want to make sure there's no chips, no damage, and stuff like that to cause your chain to break on you. And then probably the first thing you should do is you take a flat file or something, and you take and you file these down a little bit. That's your anti-kickback or whatever they call it, but actually it's for the how deep out your you want your tooth to cut. And you want this to be a little bit lower than your tooth. And then what you do, and this process is hard to do. I mean, it takes you hours to do it. But you take your little file and you try to keep it at that angle, and you just go in there just like that. And you only do it one way. Don't pull it back. Let's go. And what you're doing, come on. I don't know if you could tell, but you see the shiny edge. You want to get all three. But it's important to try to get your angle right, and as you can tell, some of them aren't quite like the others, but I'm not perfect, so but that's how I sharpen mine. And how you guys sharpen yours is up to you. Thanks for viewing.